I really don't think you guys are ready for this video. Today we're going to hit the three main cryptos that I look at to get a good feel for the market. And I'm going to show you why they're all kind of showing me the same thing, the same structure. We're going to map out price action for BTC and these other cryptos over the next couple days to a week's time. It's looking pretty good to me. So we're going to take a look at BTC, Ethereum, Solana. That is right. All that today. I'm going to smash through these three coins and give you my primary scenario for Elliott waves. I'm going to show you, this is on the hourly for BTC. We're going to go over this in depth all in today's video. Stick with me. This is important stuff, guys. Before we get started, make sure you go to Instagram, drop a follow, Alex Chart Junkies over on Instagram. This is where I'm going to be posting a different kind of content for you guys, personal stuff, but I'm getting really pulled to post self-development stuff because the trading is one thing, but to be a good trader and to be good at anything in life, you got to become that person. You got to become that person. I'm going to show you guys real actionable things that I did in my life to go from 0 to 100 real quick. Not journaling, writing down your goals, all that bullshit. This is serious stuff, guys. Come over here, drop a follow on Instagram, and listen to what I got to say. Come on. And then also, if you're new to Elliott Wave, free course in the free Discord. That's pinned in the first comment down below. Come into the free Discord, take the free 3-hour boot camp, all this learning material, great community. All those links are just pinned right in the first comment down below. Check it out. Jumping into BTC. What I'm going to do here, we're going to go on the daily time frame. And then we're going to zoom in on all three of these BTC, ETH, and Solana. All right. Daily time frame, this is where we're starting out. What I see on the chart here for BTC, if you've been around this channel, you guys kind of know how I feel here. 1, 2, 3, 4, looking for 5 to finish. I don't think we're finished yet. I think this is, part of either a correction like so coming up, or some kind of correction that we're finishing now, still coming up. I'm expecting one more leg here. We're going to zoom in here and take a look closer up, but nonetheless, still expecting one more hit to the upside. How high this goes, time will tell. We will see. But I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth of the fifth right here on BTC. For Ethereum, sticking with the daily time frame. Expecting that big move on BTC. Also on Ethereum, expecting an even bigger move. I really want to see Ethereum kind of correct down here. Push up for 5 waves. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. And what I want to be able to, when all is said and done for Ethereum, what I want to be able to say is, hey, we got some type of ending diagonal here, guys. Correction in each of these legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking to come up around 5,500, maybe 6K, get a little overthrow here, but we got a correction up, correction down, correction up, correction down. Looking for a flat correction up in which we have 5 legs right here. Looks beautiful, looks good. That's what I want to see overall. Big pump up. Daily RSI is so oversold. Let's pump. We're ready. We're ready to go. I think we have a little bit more to correct here, but the low should be in for Ethereum in my opinion. Heading over to Solana really quick. Solana as well. I'm looking for one more final leg to the upside here. How I'm kind of mapping this out is 1, 2, all this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our wave 3 right there. And then we're in the middle of a flat correction, going to come up for 5. I'm okay with calling this whole thing wave 4 that we have not finished yet, in which we have a correction down, we have a correction up, and it could be a WXY style correction, guys. You know how I've been seeing these left and right in crypto for the past couple years. Usually you'll get an impulsive wave to the downside, more of an ABC style correction, flat correction, but I have been seeing the C leg be more of a Y leg where it's corrective. So we got correction down, correction up, that breaks the high. Looking to come down to fib targets right in here. I'll show you. Right down to this 1-to-1. It would be beautiful around 136. Do I think we're about to drop straight down there right now because we are at some serious support? It should be support at least. If this breaks, yeah, off to the races, right? I don't think we're going down there quite yet, guys. We're going to zoom in on these structures on the hourly time frame on all of these coins. I'm going to show you the immediate price action now. I just wanted to give you a big picture view of all of these. You can see it's clear to me that, yeah, on all the charts you could say we have finished, all the highs have been put in. There is definitely a possibility that that's the case. And on BTC, the high has been put in here, and we're just going to start hitting to the downside for sure. That's one way to look at it. But taking everything into account, I think crypto has one more leg to the upside here, where ETH and your alts will start really rallying. Now, let's go on to the hourly time frame. I'm just going to refresh this because I already have it mapped out on BTC. And we're going to go over the immediate price action for you here, guys. Before we do that, make sure if you're in the free Discord, check out the premium Discord. Just click upgrade here. You get access to all of my trades, live streams, 24/7 live Elliott wave charts, and all your favorite cryptos, regular markets, a whole bunch of stuff here, guys. You get a 4-day free trial of that. If you want to give it a try, just click the link here, upgrade here. That is pinned in the first comment down below, the direct link to the premium Discord. Check it out. And then also, we do our trading over on BitUnix, guys. We also do our trading over on Blowfin. Both of these exchanges are no KYC. BitUnix, I'm promoting to you guys as well. They got great liquidity, and when you use the link, you get VIP2, which is 15% off the fees. Either way, on Blowfin and BitUnix, I hooked you guys up with the best promotions they have available right now. You need to use them before they expire. Let's see. Blowfin's right here. Pause the screen if you want to read them. 10% deposit bonus, trading volume bonus. BitUnix, trading volume bonus, deposit bonus, plus the VIP2, 15% off trading fees. Take advantage of that now. Click the links right there. I hook it up for you. I annoy these exchanges for the best promotions available. Plus, you get all their new trader bonuses as well. Go check them out. Both no KYC. I use Blowfin as my main exchange. BitUnix is my secondary for more so scalps. All right, on the hourly. Now, I have this structure mapped in here. As of right now, it's looking good. I've had this mapped in here for a little bit. And what I want to see is essentially a flat correction here on BTC. And I'm going to work this into Ethereum and Solana as well if you're interested in trading those or you want to see some confluence with those cryptos. So bear with me 1 second, guys. We have a correction down. First of all, I want to start by saying this is just an absolute mess here, guys. Tough trading, just sweeping liquidity. I said it last video, maybe the video before that as well. Extremely tough trading, guys. Extremely tough trading. You think it's going to go and it doesn't. You think it's going to dump and it doesn't. You know, it's one of those moments where we're just literally living sideways. We're living in a parallel channel. So either way, I'm mapping it out as a correction down. I'm looking for a corrective wave to the upside. I want to come say hello to this local high right here. I would love for that to be the case. I'm prepared for this to start working its way to the downside. I'm not saying I can't do that, guys, but how I'm going to be playing this in my primary scenarios, going to be a bounce in here. In here, we can leak down a little more. We can come from one more low. But essentially coming to the upside before any kind of serious dump down in here, where we take this liquidity that's all up here. Big, fast, furious, impulsive wave to the downside, going to look very dumpy. And then, you know, we can find some type of bottom here. I'm looking to pull fibs. If this is the structure, you know, this is well in advance, mapping this out. So wherever this ends up, we'll change things. But the 1-to-1's coming right down here. Quick break of the low. There's the 1272 directly on the low. I would love to see that. And then potential for pump. All right. So that's what I'm seeing for BTC right now. A flat. I want to see a corrective wave start to work its way up. Or is the low in right now? Could be. May have one more little low to go. Come up, test these highs, dump. And then possibility for pump, right? Over to Ethereum on the hourly. Same deal. I have what I want to see is this honestly come up a little higher. Did not come up high enough for me, but we have a correction down. We have the makings of a correction to the upside. ETH's a little further along, more further along than Bitcoin right now, but either way, same structure. Same structure is working its way in for ETH. You can say, hey, this is some type of move like this. We're going to get one more corrective wave to the upside for a WXY right here. Same thing, though. Get an impulsive wave to the downside, maybe to the 1-to-1, maybe even a little deeper. I really want this low to hold for ETH. I really need this low to hold. Either way, big time correction. Then we can start pumping to the upside on ETH. So a little bit higher, followed by dump, scare the crap out of everyone, and then we're pumping, right? Heading over to Solana. Over to Solana. We are at the lows right now currently. I don't hate a cheeky little Solana long right now. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Give us a corrective leg here. But what I'm seeing, I want to see 5 waves down. As I stated, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe that's the play. Maybe that's the play. Whether we have a flat correction where it's more of a Y leg where it's corrective here. So we get a correction up, or correction down, correction up, another boom, 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 correction down. Or we have a pure impulsive leg to the downside. I'm looking for an impulse no matter what. Whether it's correction here because we have correction down, correction up, impulse, that's a flat. Or the whole thing being, this being a correction, impulse. Either way, it's going to be an impulse here. The 1-to-1 is a beautiful target around 145 for me. And I want to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is 4 finished? I mean, you would have to call this 4. I don't really like that to be finished. I want to see a nice little pump up to like 215 on Solana. 215, let's come take this liquidity out. Then let's dump down to 145 when BTC gives this dump. When ETH gives this dump, Solana will give this dump. And then it's off to the races. Off to the races. Off to the races, right? So that's what I'm seeing on the charts. This is one scenario of a few, guys. This is one scenario of a few, and this is my primary scenario, okay? So keep that in mind. Just because I'm here mapping this out for you, don't mean it has to happen. It's my most probable option, my primary scenario, but I'm ready for anything, baby. Come over to the Discord if you want to, premium Discord, if you want to stay up to date with exactly what I'm doing, exactly what I'm seeing on the charts, guys. Check out Blowfin and check out BitUnix. Those are my 2 main baddies, my 2 main exchanges. Drop a follow on Instagram. I'll see you guys over there. Let's connect on a different level. Look at this cute guy. Look at this cute guy. Oh my God, he's such a cutie. All right. Trade safe, everyone. Love you. Bye.